If you are posting on social media to raise awareness of your coaching or healing business, but don't have an effective email marketing strategy, man, you're missing out. These days, maybe 3% of your Instagram followers will even see your content. But if you grow an email list and regularly communicate value and offers to that list, you could expect to see a 174% higher conversion rate than purchases that will come from social media posts. Are you a healer or coach struggling to make your voice heard in the crowded digital landscape? Ever wonder how to connect deeply with your audience without adding another overwhelming task to your plate? Today, I'm covering the simplicity and power of email marketing tailored just for you. So stay tuned to discover 3 simple strategies that will transform the way you think about email marketing. I guarantee one will be a great entry point for you, even if email marketing is super new to you. If you're seeking authentic ways to amplify your impact and connect with your community, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Let's navigate this journey together, making email marketing feel like a heart-to-heart conversation with your inner circle. By the end of this video, you'll hear clear and specific examples of 3 different approaches to email marketing, from simple to slightly more complex, and be able to decide which one you want to explore for yourself. So if email marketing is super new to you and you want to set up a free email service account with my recommended provider, make sure to grab the link below to set up a free system.io account. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Chelsea Fournier, a former lawyer turned business strategist and intuitive guide for coaches, healers, and creative service providers. With over a decade of experience, I help individuals just like you scale their businesses, blending strategy with the energetics of your unique gifts, and even tackling some of the tech you need along the way. Let's dive into the heart of email marketing and how it can serve your business authentically and effectively. It's not about bombarding inboxes, but rather about inviting your audience into your world, offering them value and making them feel like part of an exclusive inner circle. Since I know some of you may be newbies to email marketing, and some may want encouraged to really increase conversion with slightly more complex strategy, I'm laying out 3 specific ways to approach your email marketing, starting off with the simplest. So let's imagine you're growing an email list, either with a free lead magnet funnel, by hosting workshops, or even hosting or attending in-person events or fairs. So you have emails on a list of people who said they want to hear from you. You aren't sure what to do. First off, you need to get these people and their email addresses into an email service provider, or the term is ESP. I recommend system.io because you can start with a completely free tier, not just a trial, and it's pretty easy to set up. Then you need to choose a plan of how you want to communicate with that list, how often, what you want to share, and how. So strategy number 1 is to focus on a newsletter or update style broadcast and treat your email list as your closest community. Imagine your email list as where those warmest leads are, where you share exclusive insights with them, offers, and updates. It's about creating space where your subscribers get to hear from you first, whether it's special hours, first dibs on a new offer, or personal stories that are going to really resonate with them. This approach not only fosters loyalty, but builds a bridge between you and those who are ready to take a next step with you. Maybe you start with sending out 2 emails a month every other week and get consistent on that. Develop a template in your ESP, make it simple, no fancy designs. Just focus on the communication and see how that goes. Before we jump into the next 2 strategies, I'm just curious, are you currently growing an email list and mailing out to them regularly? If not, tell me why. What is the biggest hang-up or challenge you face around getting into this powerful channel of communication for your business? Strategy number 2 is to commit to a weekly rhythm with a plan for the whole month. So consider mapping out a monthly theme around one of your services or offers, and then break it down into weekly bite-sized approaches. So each week, guide your audience through a journey, starting maybe with your personal connection to the work or modality of what you're offering in week 1. Then moving through to educational content, maybe sharing a podcast, blog, or information on the type of support that you're going to be highlighting for the month in week 2. Shift into a clearer call to action and maybe even some urgency on how many spots you have open for that particular offer in week 3, and end the month with testimonials and client love for people who have hired you or enrolled in that offer in week 4. If there's a 5th week in the month, what do? Add more value, share a resource you love, or keep it conversational. But show up in someone's inbox weekly and you will find they become your warmest leads, your biggest cheerleaders, and your most engaged referral sources over time. Strategy number 3 has you ready to leverage automations and sequences. Now, automation doesn't have to be impersonal, by the way. By setting up sequences for new subscribers or onboarding new clients or re-engaging those who've shown interest, you're ensuring that everyone feels seen and understood on their terms. It's about using technology to extend your reach without losing that authentic voice. Which of these email marketing strategies resonates most with you? Or maybe you've tried one and have a story to share. Either way, drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together. Feeling inspired but not quite sure where to start? And make sure to dive into our Aligned Business Breakthrough Quiz. Discover which email marketing strategy aligns with your unique path, helping you to connect, engage, and grow your healing or coaching business in ways that feel deeply aligned. If this video opened up new possibilities for you, give it a like, share it with fellow healers and coaches, and subscribe for more insights on building a business that's true to you. Remember, effective communication is key to growth and connection. Let's make email marketing a powerful tool in your toolbox.